Wow, you're back for another episode, are you? Right, so undercoat it Corax White. Then we're going to go in straight with Fire Dragon Bright as a base. You'll probably recognise this Space Marine from the... Is it Assault on Black? Yeah, Assault on Blackreach. So we're going to put a bit of water with that, help it flow. Then we're going to get it on the model, mate. It's actually going on better than what I thought, to be fair. I think I say that a lot. I don't really expect much from GW paints. Sometimes they're a bit shit, but sometimes they're alright, so it's fine. Obviously with these videos, I know they're showing Space Marines, but you can use this for literally anything you want. Orange skin, be a bit odd, but if you want David Dickinson models, it's fine. Orange Eldar armour, Orc armour, it'll work. All of these videos will work for anything. Make sure you're getting all the nooks and crannies, especially if you use a white undercoat. Right, now that's done, let's have a look. You can see it obviously needs another coat. So we're going to go back in with Fire Dragon Bright. A little tip, if you water the paint down enough on the first layer, it will kind of be like a wash. So it will easily go into the recesses, and then that means when you put the second layer on, it'll all go on nicely. You won't have any little white scabby spots. This model makes me want some mini cheddars, some red Leicester mini cheddars. Right, second layer's on, let's have a look. See, that's looking a lot better. There's no scabby white areas we've forgotten about. So that means we can go ahead and wash it with Fuegan Orange. But obviously, as this is a light paint, I'm going to mix it with some water. We're going to do 1 drop of water to 1 drop of Fuegan Orange. Right, now it's done, let's have a look. See a classic example of pooling on the inner greave, but we'll ignore that and we'll go to Fire Dragon Bright so we can re-establish that base colour and hide all of our shameful mistakes. Let's work into the bristles. There you go. Then you can do your broad strokes all over the model. Right, that is done. Let's have a look. So we've re-established that base colour. It's looking a lot better now. Now we can go to Lugganath Orange. Make sure you shake it so you don't get the pre-cum out of the paint. Get your large dry brush again. Just work it into the bristles. Obviously it helps to have a clean piece of tissue so you can see what you're doing. Test it on the handle or the base, and then you can broadly go over the whole model. That's done. Let's have a look. See, we're getting there. Now, Kindle Flame. That's the next stage. There was a edge paint, but I cannot remember for the life of me what it was called. I'll probably put a comment up in the corner. And that'll be the edge paint that you can use instead of this Kindle Flame paint. So pretty much nothing on there. You want to go against, when you're dry brushing, you always just want to go against whatever. So if you're going against a horizontal edge, you want to do a vertical back and forth. If you're going against a vertical, you want to do a horizontal back and forth. Easy. Right, now it's done. Let's have a look. So we've got a nice, looks a bit chalky, but we're going to sort that out now. We're going to use some Pyroclast Orange. 1 drop of water to 1 drop of Pyroclast Orange. And you're just going to put it all over the model, and then that will help tie everything together. go. Done.